Performance features. A variable frequency stepless speed control system with linked operation control is adopted, achieving higher production speeds. All product contact parts are made of 316L stainless steel with a fully polished finish, ensuring no contamination during the filling process. Filling, sealing, and batch coating are completed automatically, featuring automatic tube feeding, automatic inner tube purging, automatic color mark alignment, and automatic filling and sealing. A reliable piston-type metering filling valve provides convenient and stable adjustment of filling volume with high accuracy. The filling assembly is easily removable. The hopper valve body, piston, filling nozzle, and other components can be quickly disassembled for easy cleaning, sanitizing, and sterilization. A stepper motor-driven automatic color mark alignment system for rotating tube cups enables automatic alignment of oval and other special-shaped tubes. An elastic tension-type tube holder ensures consistent sealing height. An airblow cutoff device is installed to prevent stringing of highly viscous materials. A safety clutch is incorporated into the main drive system to provide effective overload protection in case of faults. Mechanical parts are mainly made of cast iron or aluminum with surface treatment, as well as stainless steel.